guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to do some additional exercises on simple present tense, and if you have missed out the explanation and the exercises of part 1, I will link down that in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started. One is given as a sample, that is Tanya speaks German very well. So basically I just told you the concept that singular subject, singular verb, plural subject and plural verb. I don't often dash coffee. So I don't often, with I you use drink, not drinks in its S form. So I don't often drink coffee. The swimming pool dash at 7:30 every morning. The swimming pool opens. The swimming pool opens at 7:30 every morning. Bad driving dash many accident. तो बुरी ड्राइविंग से बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट्स हो सकते हैं. सो बैड ड्राइविंग कॉजेज मेनी एक्सीडेंट्स. द ओलंपिक गेम्स डैश प्लेस आफ्टर एवरी 4 years. तो क्या हो जाएगा, गेम्स है तो प्लूरल के साथ हम प्लूरल यूज करेंगे. सॉरी, उससे पहले हम फिफ्थ करेंगे. माई पेरेंट्स डैश इन अ वेरी स्मॉल फ्लैट. माई पेरेंट्स लिव, प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल. सो माई पेरेंट्स लिव इन अ वेरी स्मॉल फ्लैट. द ओलंपिक गेम्स टेक प्लेस, प्लूरल के साथ प्लूरल, टेक प्लेस ना कि टेक्स प्लेस. टेक प्लेस आफ्टर एवरी 4 years. द पनामा कैनाल डैश द अटलांटिक एंड द पैसिफिक ओशन. ओके, सो द पनामा कैनाल opens. Okay, the Panama Canal opens. The Panama Canal connects the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans. The verb into the correct form in these sentences. You have to put verb in the correct form where negative, where positive is required. You have to put that. Look at example. Julia doesn't drink tea very often. What time? It is an interrogative question. What time dash the bank close here? So what time do the banks close here? I've got a car but I dash it much. So I've got a car but I don't use it much. Where dash come from? Where does Ricardo come from? From Cuba. What dash you do? I'm an electrician. What do you do? I'm an electrician. It dash me an hour to get to work. Okay, it takes me an hour to get to work. How long does, if you're asking a question, how long does it take, how long does it take you? Look at this sentence. What does single है तो हम does use करेंगे. What does this word mean? David isn't fit. He does not do any sports. In exercise number 3, you have to put the following verbs to complete the sentences, and sometimes you need to be negative according to the requirement of the sentences. Look at the first one. The earth goes around the sun. Go, earth के साथ plural singular use आएगा goes. Rice doesn't grow in Britain. Okay, it is a fact, it doesn't grow there. The sun dash in the east. Yes, it's correct, so you'll use it affirmatively. So the sun rises in the east. Bees, okay, plural subject and plural verb. Bees make honey. Vegetarians, so of course vegetarians will not eat meat, so vegetarians don't eat meat. An atheist is a person who does not believe in God. So an atheist doesn't believe in God. An interpreter dash from one language to another. An interpreter translates from one language to another. Liars are people who doesn't tell the truth. The river Amazon dash into the Atlantic Ocean. It flows into the Atlantic Ocean. You have to ask Lisa some questions about herself and her family. So let us see the requirement of sentence with an example. You know that Lisa plays tennis. You know this fact that Lisa is playing tennis, and you want to know that how often, कितनी बारी वो खेलती है. और आप कैसे पूछोगे? How often do you play tennis? You are asking somebody. Perhaps Lisa's sister plays टेनिस टू. तो लीजा की सिस्टर भी टेनिस खेलती है और आपको जानना है कि क्या वो उसकी सिस्टर टेनिस खेलती है. तो आप कैसे पूछोगे? हाउ विल यू आस्क डज योर सिस्टर प्ले टेनिस? And you also know that Lisa reads newspaper daily and you want to know which one. तुम्हें पता है कि लीजा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ती है and you want to know that which newspaper does she read. So what will you question her? Which newspaper do you read? And you know that Lisa's brother works somewhere and you want to know that what he does. Okay, so how will you ask? So how will you ask Lisa about his brother's job? So how will you ask, what does your brother do? So what does your brother do? And you can say this also, what is your brother's job? What does your brother do, or what is your brother's job? You know that Lisa goes to cinema a lot. You want to know how often does she go. So how you will ask, how often do you go to cinema? Question mark. These are all interrogative sentences. You don't know where Lisa's grandparents live. You want to know where they live. So how will you ask, where do your grandparents live? Now in this you have to complete using these words like apologize, insist, promise, recommend or suggest. Let's see number 1. Mr. Evans is not in the office today. I suggest you try calling him tomorrow. So I suggest you're suggesting somebody. I won't tell anybody what you said. तो जो तुमने बोला है वो मैं किसी को नहीं बोलूँगी, मैं प्रॉमिस करती हूँ. तो I promise. You must let me pay for the meal. Please let me pay for the meal. So I insist. मैं insist कर रही हूँ कि मुझे please bill देने दो. Dash for what I did, it won't happen again. So I apologize what I did. It won't happen again. You are being sorry for something. The new restaurant is in the Hill Street is very good. I recommend. I prefer going there, and I recommend others also, so that you can dine there. It's a very good place. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.